Hi everyone, I want to give you to see about my ps2 that I bought now. This is ps2 Slim. I opened it, it is very easy. You have only, like you can see here, 6 screws, one more screw to disconnect the motherboard from the plastic body. Only one, and then you can take it off. I put it off. Here is a button of the start. I have here a problem with the connection of AC. I can see when I connect the AC, it not only if I put it in, if I only hold it for one position, it will work. When I just not touch it, it's not working at all. After I open it, I found, like you can see here, that I have to touch it and work with this to fix this. Now I will give you to see how I do it. It is very easy, everyone can do it. Only 3 connectors. Just put some here. And refreshing the old. Okay, perfect. Now it have to work properly, but let's see, maybe it is the connector by itself. Okay, here, like you can see, I put a fresh some on it, and now it is working. It is clicking, it is working, all is perfect in any position I want. Here it was a problem. Only 3 touches with new soil and all will be work. Thank you for watching. Hope it helped someone. Goodbye.